Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering my kids' favorite activities on the Norwegian Prima. This is a family-friendly ship. Number one, splash pad. Here they get to have fun, splash around, and not have to worry about bothering anyone. And there's a nice shaded lounge area right next to it, so you can watch them while you read a book or just relax. After they had their filled with the splash pad, we headed down to the main pool where they can do little laps or chill. It's conveniently located by the waves bar, so I can have a drink and again sit by the pool and watch them. Remember, always supervise your kids. Don't be that parent. And then also, they really enjoyed the dueling slides. You get to race against each other to see who gets down first, and the blue slide won for us. We also had fun on the Prima racetrack. It's 3 stories high. They do ride with us as they're not big enough to ride by themselves. It was still a lot of fun. And that curve right there was really tricky. It scared me. Then we have the mini golf. It's free. You just grab your clubs and have fun. We don't keep score. We don't care. We just play for the fun of it. And last but not least, the observation lounge. This was the nicest bar, in my opinion, in the whole ship. There's plenty of seating, plenty of views, areas where you can play board games. They also have a little tiny buffet so you can get some snacks if you woke up late and missed breakfast, or in the afternoon with coffee and tea as well. That's it. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.